So I just got done chasing a crazy huge wolf spider through the yard trying to kill it, but I couldn't get close enough to step on it without peeing my pants. For those of you who have never seen a wolf spider before, I'm going to insert a picture. Yeah, so there you have it. They are extremely fast, huge spiders. They will ruin your day. And I heard that they are going to be overbreeding right now and to expect lots of them. I'm going outside, see what we can find. See that right there? That is a giant wolf spider. Hello, buddy.